Hello, my name is Jason Estavillo, and I am the founder of the Estavillo Law Group. It's a real estate litigation law firm here in Oakland, California. This law firm has existed for over 10 years. One of our specialties is foreclosure litigation. The reason I got involved with foreclosure litigation is I saw a need during the last recession where families were being forced out on the street because of the amount of foreclosures that were happening here in the state of California. What is a foreclosure? A foreclosure is when the bank tries to take the home away from you because they're claiming that you haven't made payments on the loan, and that they can do that under what's called a deed of trust. In California, we're a non-judicial foreclosure state, which means the banks, all they have to do to foreclose on your property is record what's called a notice of default and a notice of trustee sale. A notice of default starts the clock. The notice of default expires after 90 days, and then a notice of trustee sale can be recorded after that, and your property can be sold 20 days after that without any judicial oversight. Even if the bank is wrong, even if you've been making your payments, or alternatively, what they're saying you owe is incorrect, that doesn't matter. They can still foreclose on your property. So just because they're wrong and you think you're right, that's not going to stop a foreclosure sale. What you need to do, or what can happen, is you can try to stop the sale by either reinstating the loan, which means bringing the loan current based on what they're claiming you owe them, or alternatively getting a court order, which is typically referred to as a temporary restraining order or preliminary injunction. What we do here is we assess cases, identify grounds to go into court to stop a foreclosure, and go in and get a temporary restraining order or preliminary injunction. When we assess these cases and we go in for a TRO, we do have a very good success rate. It's over 90% of stopping imminent foreclosures. And a foreclosure is a very sad situation. If you go down to the courthouses on certain days, you'll see a group of people there buying people's homes that are being auctioned off. And the problem with that is twofold. One, there's no government entity there preventing it. Number two is you're not maximizing the value of your property. All they're doing is trying to get that loan paid off. So let's say the house is worth $1 million and you only owe $250,000. It's possible that someone might just buy that house for $250,000 and you lose that $750,000 in equity. What we try to do is we look at our clients' goals, both short-term and long-term. Obviously, if you're facing them in foreclosure, the short-term goal is to stop the foreclosure. And again, that's by going in for a temporary restraining order or a preliminary injunction. Long-term goal is either keeping you in your home and figuring out a way to do that based on your specific circumstances, or alternatively, looking at possibly selling the house so that you can maximize the equity versus it being foreclosed on the courthouse steps. If you are facing an imminent foreclosure or you need help understanding what is going on with your loan, please reach out to us. I provide a free 15-minute consultation, and I can be reached at 510-982-3001. Again, 510-982-3001. And again, my name is Jason Estavillo, the founder of Estavillo Law Group.